Samsung Remote Control BN59-01199F.
A Samsung BN59-01199F Remote Control is designed for compatibility with most Samsung TVs and smart TVs. It features a smart hub button, ensuring ease of access to various functionalities with no setup required. Affordable price. The remote offers excellent value for its price, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious consumers. Easy to use. Users appreciate the straightforward usability as it works instantly without any programming, just by inserting batteries. Compatible with many models. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Samsung TV models, providing versatility for users with different devices. Responsive buttons. The buttons are responsive and well-designed, ensuring a pleasant experience when controlling the TV. Limited advanced features. Compared to some high-end remotes, this one lacks advanced features like backlighting or programmable buttons. Requires batteries. Users need to keep spare AAA batteries on hand as they are not included with the remote. Build quality concerns. Some users noted that while functional, the remote's build quality seems less durable compared to original remotes. May not work with very old models. This remote might not be compatible with older Samsung models, restricting its use for some customers.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!